Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Wow, it's been a while, but thank you for joining me. So what are we doing today? Well, today I'm going to be making a soundproof box for my home recordings. Well, really what I should say is that this is actually audio control because this is not 100% soundproof, but it will enhance the quality of the voiceovers or the YouTube projects that you're doing. We are using acoustic foam, and basically these are used to reduce noise pollution. They remove echoes and background noises, reverberation sounds by absorbing them. If you're talking about 100% soundproofing, then you're talking about a professional studio. But for your simple projects, voiceovers, and your YouTube projects, etc., this will work just fine. I love doing voiceovers, so I've been doing a little bit of that for my YouTube projects and my other little projects. And recently, I've been asked to edit for another YouTube channel, and they have a weekly thing going on. I figured, you know what, I better step my game up because if somebody's going to ask me to edit, then I need to be able to deliver the best quality I can from home. I've been doing a little bit of research, hence the reason we're here. Now, there's a bit of construction going on, so this is also a very good test to see how much of what is going on in the environment is actually seeping through in this soundproof box. So what do you need to complete this project? Well, you need the acoustic foam, a box of any size, scissors, and some glue. You thought there would be more, right? That's it. That's all you need. I got these from Amazon. I got the 6-pack because my box is fairly small and I will only need about 5 of them to complete my little studio. In all honesty, a 6-pack should be enough to finish your project, and it also depends on the dimension of the box that you choose. However, I would suggest a small enough box to fit your microphone or your phone. Now, let's look at some alternatives. Mattress foam and egg cartons can be used to soundproof an area, but it is not as effective as the acoustic foam. If it is what you have at hand, then you can use it until you're able to get the proper equipment, and it should actually help. The box I'm using is 13 inches all round, and each acoustic tile is 12 inches. I got the crack and peel, of course, so I won't need any scissors and I will not need glue. It will be just crack, peel, and stick. I'm putting my first acoustic foam in. This should leave me with an inch space all around for me to insert the other 4 foam tiles without me having to use a scissors. This is so easy, you guys. Basically, all I'm doing right now is crack, peel, and stick. And my project should be done shortly. Why don't I speed this up for you? Whatever size box you choose, all you're going to do is cut the foam to fit. That's it. If your foam is not crack and peel, that's still okay. All you need is some spray adhesive or regular glue or glue gun, and that should work just fine. Now that the home studio is done, let's check to see if it really works. Now the microphone is still in the box and I'm about maybe 5 or 6 inches away from the microphone. I'm speaking directly into the microphone. We are now going to check if there is a difference in quality once you take the microphone out of the treated area. So I'm going to keep talking as I take this mic. Now I'm resting it on the table. If there is a difference in sound, you should be picking that up right now. Is there a difference? All right, so the mic is out in the open, the windows are open, the door is open. There is construction going on. I'm listening out for dogs. I haven't heard any in a while. Very interesting. But tell me what you think. Did you hear a difference once the mic was removed from our home studio or our treated area? All right, so I'm going to put the microphone back into the treated area, and you tell me if there is indeed a difference. Here we go again. I'll keep talking as I move this microphone back into the treated area. Is there a difference? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. I look forward to hearing from you. Is this something that you would try? Is it worth the hassle of having this? I mean, it's really affordable. And if it's just your home projects and your YouTube projects, then this is a simple and affordable alternative. What are your thoughts? Let me know. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon with another project. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.